This ain't build a bitch. You don't get to pick and choose. Different ass and bigger boobs. If my eyes are bright or blue, this ain't build a bitch. I'm filled with flaws and attitudes. So if you need perfect, I'm not built for you. I'm filled with flaws and attitudes. So if you need perfect, I'm not built for you.
Okay, sir, I'm coming in. Okay, so good day, Mr. Teddy Bear. So I am Christian Joshua Turla and I will be your student nurse for today. So may I know your name and your date of birth, sir? My name is Teddy Bear D and I am 10 years old. Okay? Okay, so for today, the procedure I will be doing to you is that I will administer an intradermal administration into you. Okay, so may I know if you have any allergies or past illness, just like that? None, sir. Okay, so none. Is it okay for you now to administering your medication to you? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, sir. So by the way, as you see, I've closed all the windows so that this will be private for us on administering your medication to you. Okay, and I will make sure that the data that will be collected into you will be safe and will only be for us. Okay, who will be taking for you. Okay, so we will now start. Okay, now sir, we will start the procedure. So first, I already washed my hand and I already wear my gloves. Okay, so we will start now. Okay. So this will be the site. The next thing that I will do is I will first clean it with an antiseptic solution and rub it. Okay. The next thing that I will do now is I will take off the cap. Okay, so now I will be holding my syringe and I will be holding your arm like this, sir, and I will inject it. Okay, and I will inject it slowly. Okay, and I will hold this and this and inject it slowly. Okay, and I will also remove it at the same side so that you won't feel any pain, and slowly pat it. Don't massage it, okay? And after patting it, I will mark it, okay? And please don't erase it, sir, as I mark location site. Okay, so we're done. Okay, so next thing that I will showing or demonstrating to you is to how to administer a subcutaneous administration. Okay, so first you will inspect the site for any edema or tenderness. Okay, so palpate it. Okay, and find the site. Okay, so position the patient into a comfortable position and ask him to relax to the site where to insert the administration of medication. Okay, so like or I mean try to tell him to relax into the site where we will inject the medication. Okay. Okay, after locating the site, we will now clean the area with the antiseptic solution. Okay, so do it like this. Okay, and after that, we will now uncup the syringe. Okay, and we will aim for a 45 to 90 degrees, okay, and hold like this as if you're holding a dart, okay, so insert like this, 45 degrees. Okay, and after that, try to hold the plunger and insert the medication slowly. Okay, and after that, also remove the syringe into the same side where you inserted it to minimize the pain of the patient. Okay, so after that, also we will now pack a dry cotton ball into the site. Okay, remember, do not massage it. Okay, Okay, and after that, we will now again position the patient into a comfortable position, and after that, we will document the result of the procedure, okay? Okay, sir, so we're done from subcutaneous administration, okay? Also, never forget to record the time and the amount of drug being taken by the patient, okay? Okay guys, so next thing that we will do is I will show you on how to administer an intramuscular administration. Okay, so first, you will position the client into a comfortable position, and after that, you will locate the site for administration or route of the administration. Okay, so it can be in the deltoid site or in the vastus lateralis. Okay, so we will choose this site for the administration. Okay, sir. So palpate the site and check for any lesions or tenderness. And after that, again, try to clean the site using an antiseptic swab, okay, or a solution. Okay, and after that, we will now uncuff the syringe, okay, and administer an intramuscular administration, okay. So, next thing that we will do is we will now position our hands just like this, just like we're holding a dart, okay, and aim for a 90 degrees angle into the side, okay. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and after that, try to aspirate first. Okay, so if you draw blood, we will inject it to the other side, okay. Okay, so if there is no blood that appears, we will now proceed from administering. Okay, so gently administer the medication, and after that, okay, so after that, take it again into the same side so that the pain will be minimized. Okay, and after that, we will pat a dry cotton ball or a dry gauze. Remember not again to massage the area where the injection or the medication has been administered. Okay, so after that, position again the client into a relaxing position, and after that, document the results, okay, and the findings of the medical administration being administered, okay? The next thing that I will demonstrate or do to you is I will try to demonstrate on how to insert an IV insertion, okay? So, IV administration, okay? So, first, again, we will clean the site using an antiseptic solution into a gauze, okay, or into a cotton ball. Okay, so we will now locate the area first and find the vein. Okay, so be careful to find the vein of the patient, okay? Okay, so it is located here. Okay, so assuming that this syringe, this paper is my wing, okay, the syringe wing, okay, and I will try to administer it now, okay? So the first thing that we will do is we will need to advance the needle into a 1/3, okay, before retracting or checking for a backflow, okay? Okay, and push it forward. Okay, after that, get the extension tubing. Okay, get the extension tubing and place it over, okay? Just like this. Assuming that this is an extension tubing, and I will place it like this above, okay? Okay, and I will now try to aspirate a blood, okay? So if a blood is drawn, so it is good. Okay, so it is good.